Hey Jared.
Yeah.
Do you think if I drink my own breast milk that I'll make super breast milk?
What? Let me look it up. If you drink your own breast milk, does it make
super breast milk?
Super breast milk. Adults really shouldn't drink human breast milk. That's what it says.
Oh, okay.
Yep, it's in my bag. Yep. Okay.
This is like our ghetto car. Our other one's like being fixed right now. So,
Oh yeah.
Yeah, don't judge us.
So we're here with Allie and Danielle. Heyo from the Tannerites. I don't know where what are we doing?
Premiere. We're going to a extinct premiere, and I've heard it's red carpet premiere.
Yeah, so I look stupid. No one told me that.
Sorry, I should text Cassie, been like, oh hey, it's a formal. At least that's what my mom says. If my mom lied to me, I'm gonna be like, hey.
I'll just be like the driver.
I'm prepared for both.
just the driver.
Yeah, Jared's our driver. We're having a fancy night out.
Yeah.
Thank you, kind sir, for taking us.
We'll go to like Wendy's after maybe. Fancy.
It's
Okay, so our tickets are in Sarah and Johnny's name. So we are practicing Parenthood tonight. We automatically have 2 teenagers. So this is gonna
That's the ultimate test, right?
You have a 16-year-old, babies and teenagers, 13-year-old, and an almost born baby.
So in like 13 years, this is what our lives will be like. If we or 16 years if we have 2 girls in a row. This is good practice.
We could do that.
And you'll have a son on a mission too.
So far this is really easy.
Yeah.
Being parents is easy. Hey Johnny, you remember?
Oh, yeah.
So 2 things. We are really early, my bad, and Jared is feeling nervous about his
I'm
clothes.
not nervous, but if we have time, we might as well go see if we can find me like a nice shirt.
And maybe food? Just like if anybody asks,
hungry?
where's your suit, the same as
This
Yeah,
is
she's telling me confidence is the key,
just
but I'm
say
not.
it's
I don't
under
know
your
if I'm
clothes birthday suit.
He's gotta wear this.
That would be nice.
The bright yellow flowers to extinct.
It kind of goes with your flower theme.
Yeah. I like that one. That one flowers. Good.
Yeah, that'd be nice. Where did he go? She found your shirt. Want to see?
Yeah, let's see.
Okay.
You gotta close your eyes.
Okay. Am I going the right way?
Yeah.
Okay. Here it is.
Okay, I'll really wear that. That's so funny.
Then they can be stripes and we could be flowers.
Yeah. I'm so down.
Wait, no, wait.
I love that. I love these shirts. Does it look long?
We found a winner.
Looks good,
Yeah,
right?
looks long enough.
Okay, cool.
Looking pretty sharp, Johnny.
Yeah, we made it.
Nice job, Dad. Nice job, Dad.
Thanks, kids.
Nice job.
So actually our friend was an extra in this. You guys know Bryce from the Jergies.
Bro, I know.
I flagged her right now.
That's awesome. Congrats, man. Thank you.
What? He's an extra. Watch for him with the beard.
Yeah, everybody thinks now that we are really Tony and Sarah. Like, we're not trying to be sneaky, we just don't really know. Like we learned about this last night.
We don't need to explain. Like we're studying it for them.
Wait, ready?
What?
You can hear the party music.
Is there a party?
These are doors. Look, these are doors.
What?
Those are doors. They think they can hide that from us.
Yeah. We know where the party is.
We got this delicious hibiscus. What is it?
I don't know.
What is it?
Butternut squash. Butternut squash. Delicious.
Oh, we found the goods right here. Does it taste good?
I don't know why they give you this tiny fork though.
Yeah, what the heck? It's gonna take forever to eat.
Yeah, just.
What the heck? Do you like it? Oh yeah. Is it good? Yeah. Well, this used to have bacon on it.
This one?
And you just, all you ate was the bacon?
You just ate the bacon.
That's so
I
funny.
didn't want the date.
Totally
I
worth
tried it
it.
earlier. The date was nasty. The bacon was amazing, so I ate just the bacon.
Yeah, plan is, we're gonna stop at Wendy's at the end of this. We gotta get some food.
Yes.
Did you like it? Yeah. Did you like it?
Yeah, I'm tired. But it was good.
What'd you think? Did you like it?
It was good.
Nice. See Bryce over there? I knew this was a good shirt and I got it.
Score.
Wow! No, your buttons aren't missing.
Oh! they're not the same. What time is it? What time is it, Allie? Allie, she's like dead.
She's like, I'm so tired.
What time is it?
9:30.
You ready to go?
Almost. She said to wait here. Yeah, she's getting the other actors here.
Oh, cool. Cool.
Actors and YouTubers.
Because you guys are buying us Wendy's, right?
That wasn't the plan.
I'm just kidding. Alright, we gotta load up on these. Hurry, Cassidy, bring your backpack.
Daddy, Allie, Savannah, Lizzie, guys, Candy.
Gotta get some for the whole family. Okay, go. Let's get out of here. Hurry. Guys, should we do like the overnight challenge and stay in here tonight?
Let's hide.
Yeah, we'll hide all night.
A picture by the orb.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, we'll do that instead. You can call.
Welcome to Wendy's. I'll be with you in a moment.
Okay, thank you. All right, kids, what do you want?
Dad, I want a puppy.
You should know what we want.
Oh yeah, I know.
Jeez, Dad.
5 baked potatoes, please.
No.
6-piece chicken nugget, medium fry, small drink.
10-piece
I
chicken
want
nugget.
the.
Medium fries
and medium drink.
She says
We need to have a drink while we
All
binge
we're
watch
getting
the
is
class.
double stacks, no buns.
Fine, medium drink.
Double stacks, no buns. That's the only thing. That's the only thing I order in this car.
Wait, Dr. Pepper? Are you're gonna drink
You guys
caffeine?
are never.
Actually, I don't get. Me and Danielle don't get that hyper one.
Does your mom let you?
Yeah.
Say promise.
I promise.
Okay.
Pinky.
Mom,
Pinky.
come on, Mom. Come
Okay.
on, Mom.
God,
Actually,
Mom.
it's Mom's rules. She gets to choose right now.
And actually,
You'd be surprised.
This is too much pressure.
Actually,
We're going home.
You'd be surprised. Normal kids like get so hyper. Me and Danielle are just like, it actually makes us tired.
You choose Mom.
Sometimes.
She's like so pressured right now. She's like,
Wait, your mom really lets you?
Yeah.
Okay.
you choose Mom.
On the fries, there's 4 different sizes. There's a jur, a sheesh, a med, and a lurch.
Oh, I see it now.
Yeah, I finally understand what you're talking about. Junior, small, medium,
A
large.
med or a lurge.
A lurge.
A lurge.
Can I get a large fry, please?
Yeah, we should have
Excuse
said
me,
that.
sir. Can I get a large fry? No, when they say and a large fry, no, a large fry.
No,
Yeah.
Large, please.
fry,
Can I
sir.
get that large?
Can I get a large,
Come on,
please?
sir.
I don't know
Come
what
on,
large
please.
means, but it says
Large.
large on your menu.
Large.
I don't know what
I want
large
some
means.
med, Dr. Pepper.
A jur frosty.
A dur.
A jur frosty.
Jur
Can I
frosty.
get a jur frosty?
A dur frosty.
He can probably hear us and he's like, what's going on in that car?
Jur frosty.
Good night, children. Time for
Bye, Mom
bed.
and Dad. Thanks for the large
Night,
fry.
parents.
I didn't
Goodbye.
even have a large fry, but thanks.
I'm their favorite. Subscribe